Hi there, I'm Alex, and welcome back to InkLingo. Today we're heading into a cozy little corner of Spanish with a story called My Little Garden. This is a wonderful A0 level story, perfect for beginners just starting out. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we dive in, let's warm up with a few key words. First, agua, which means water. Next, flores, which means flowers. And finally, jardín, which means garden. In this story, someone shares their small garden full of colorful flowers that need care to grow. Let's step into the garden together and listen closely.
Yo tengo un jardín. Mi jardín es pequeño. En mi jardín hay flores. Las flores son rojas y amarillas. Las flores necesitan sol y agua. El sol es grande y amarillo. Yo doy agua a las flores. Las flores están contentas. Yo estoy contento.
And there we have it, a small garden full of color, sunshine, and care. Watering the flowers brings happiness to both the flowers and the person tending them. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app.